push system or pull system. In Lean, an organization either can use one of those two systems to run their own business. The push system is all about producing products based on forecast or prediction. In this system, products are made in advance without specific order and then stored until they are needed. The downside of the push system is that it can lead for overproduction, excess inventory, and wasted resources. This can result in a less efficient and more costly production line. And now, let's take a look at the pull system. In this system, production is based on customer demand, and products are only made when there is an order to fulfill. The pull system helps to reduce waste and ensures that products are only made when they are needed. It also allows for a greater flexibility and responsiveness to change in customer demand. Overall, the pull system helps to create a leaner and more efficient production line, reducing waste and increasing the customer satisfaction.